What is going on, YouTube? I hope everybody is having a fantastic 4th of July. Today's video is going to be very short and very sweet. First thing is first, I do want to wish everybody a very happy 4th of July. Today is, a day far greater than what we are able to do. We're able to go hang out with friends, watch some fireworks, drink some cold beers. But yet we cannot forget the real meaning behind, 4th of July and all the people who served in order for us to be able to do this every year. So much respect to all the soldiers out there. Thank you guys very much, because without you guys, obviously we would not be able to do this. So a very happy 4th of July to all. I've had a very exciting past 2 days with 4th of July myself, and tonight I will be going to fireworks as well. So very happy 4th of July. Number 2 is I am going to New York Friday. I will be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. As some of you know, AutoCon New York is on Sunday. I will be once again attending AutoCon. Last time I did a montage of AutoCon. This time I plan on doing more of a vlog type of AutoCon, so you guys can get the full behind the scenes access of AutoCon if you are unable to attend. If you do remember, I was in AutoCon Los Angeles probably about 3 months ago, so definitely a great time to go. And New York, I'm very excited to come out there and hang out and see what's going on for the AutoCon event there. Number 3 is, since I will be in New York, I have some very exciting news coming. I will be dropping a video on this news, so be sure to stay up to date with the videos, because coming this week, probably, I don't want to give a date yet, honestly, because I've got a lot in works and it's taken a lot of work to get to where I am right now in the sense of what I'm trying to do. I am starting this process this weekend. The question is, I'm not really sure how long it will take me to put it into the video format and get the news out there. Stay up to date on the YouTube videos, stay up to date on all my social media, which are all linked down below in the description, because that is where you're going to find the latest news. In other news, not as big news, but still big news, I'm kind of delayed on this. I had a few issues in the sense of Shopify and what I was able to do and what I'm now able to do. But I am finally bringing out the summer clothing line for ZCompany. It's been long overdue. It's been a lot of behind the scenes stuff, but there will be a summer ZCompany clothing drop. I expect here in the next month to be done. There's still some last minute stuff that needs to get taken care of as far as modeling pictures, and then to get them up on the site and then get linked with Shopify and everything like that. There's a lot of personal stuff that I've got to take care of on the back end to get that going. But expect that in the next month or so. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for apparel, hats mainly. But we're going to step the game up. We're going to go a lot more than just hats. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. So expect that in the coming month or so as well. There will be more info, though, later on in the future with that specific point. With that, that is all I've got for you today. Expect a vlog on Friday when we are traveling. Actually, there might be a video tomorrow. Because I've got a certain plan tomorrow that you might see. So there might be a video tomorrow. If not, I will definitely see you on Friday. Until then, peace out. Have a great 4th of July. Stay safe, and remember, you create your own story.